Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up FTX account export for transaction history, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your FTX account export for transaction history, begin by logging into your FTX account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile icon or your account name to access the account settings. In the drop-down menu, select the API option. Now, you will see an option for API keys. Click on the Create API Key button to generate a new key. Follow the prompts to name your API key for easy identification. Ensure you select the correct permissions for your API key based on your needs. After setting the permissions, click Submit to create the key. Make sure to copy the API key and secret key provided. Store these keys in a secure location, as they are essential for accessing your transaction history. Next, go to the Export tab within the account settings. Here, you will see options for exporting your transaction history. Select the time range that you wish to export. Choose the format you prefer for the export file, typically CSV is recommended. Once your selections are made, click on the Export button. Wait for the file to generate, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the link to download your transaction history file. Open the downloaded file to ensure that all necessary information has been included. Now, you can analyze or import your transaction history into your preferred accounting tool. For ongoing exports, consider setting up a routine for downloading your transaction history regularly. This process will help you keep accurate records for your trading activities on FTX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.